Alright everyone, just 4 o'clock Monday afternoon. I wanted to start out by saying thank you to everybody that subscribed. We made it to 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. That's very cool. There for a while I didn't think I was ever going to make it to 1,000 subscribers. So making it was pretty awesome. So just wanted to thank everybody that subscribed and all you viewers too. Thanks for watching. I guess if subscribing isn't your thing, whatever. I appreciate you being there. But so just waiting on Jason to get down here. Gonna do a sawmill video with me, and we're gonna do the couple chunks from the church piece I brought home because I haven't done no milling. And we're going to do the trims. There was a few trims there. And then, yeah, get a video up. So he should be here in the next few minutes. I just talked to him, and he was heading out the door, and he only lives not even a mile away. So, but did work on the garage wall a little this morning. We ran and grabbed drywall, and then he went home for a little bit and came back, and we threw the drywall up, and then he went back home for lunch right now, and now he's coming back to late lunch, being 4 o'clock, but he went home to eat something anyways, and was coming right back. So, all right, everyone, thanks again. I appreciate you subscribing, and let's get on to sawing. talk Jay into taking that one. Huh? That look good at your house, Jay. You want an edge on it, a flat edge on one side? Yeah. Jay's gonna take that one home, be an old man. I'll flip her around, Jay. Yeah. All right, everyone. Thank you again. I appreciate everybody that subscribed. Changes my look at making the videos a little bit more. I'll make sure I keep the content coming. Some of you that know that I've been around for a while know that it gets hard for me to make videos here in the winter time. Sometimes we get 2-3 foot of snow. I'm like 20 miles from the lake, so the lake shore, we get the lake effect all the time, which I'm not complaining about it, but some years it makes it pretty unbearable to get down here. The last 2 years it hasn't been too bad, and I've been able to do a little bit, but I'll try to make sure I lift that log deck up in the air and fill that full of logs if I know a big storm's coming, so I can at least keep getting some milling videos out. But all right, everyone, thanks for watching. I'll probably get another one up Wednesday. You have a great evening. I just about got the drywall up in the garage. So, all right, everyone, have a great evening. Thanks for watching.